Hi, I'm Julian from Maxitech, and today I'm going to show you our newest addition to our smart home integration system, and that is IP cameras. So with this, we've been able to add our existing IP camera system into Apple Home. And the good thing about this being integrated in Home is you get all of the extra Apple features. So with that, you can use these cameras across all of your devices, including iPad, iPhone, Macs, even the Apple TV and Apple Watches. So now from any Apple device, you can view your IP cameras and you get a nice live view. And the good thing with Apple Home is it also allows you to control specific lights which are related to that camera. So this camera is at the front door, and that allows us to turn on the front main lights, the front wall lights, and etc. So for iPhones and iPads, they're very similar. You just open the Home app, and then you'll have your camera system down here, and then you just click on the camera, it'll load the live view. When you're viewing the live view, you can tap up the top to go to a different camera, such as the street, and then that just loads and then it shows you the live view. It also lets you use Siri to view the cameras. So if I was in another app or on the home screen, I could activate Siri and say, show me the front door, and it would instantly load a live preview of the front door. You can view the cameras in picture-in-picture mode. So simply just swipe up, and then you can keep watching a live view while you do other things. So on the Apple Watch, you just need to open up the Home app. From there, you scroll down to the camera section. So click on one, and then you get a live view. I'll now show you how to view and use the cameras on an Apple TV. First of all, on the Apple TV, you need to hold down the button on the top right, and then you get the pop-up menu. If you swipe down and then go to the home icon and click it, it'll load your cameras. After they update, you can see a live view, and from here you can just tap across and then it will load the other cameras. The good thing about having it on your Apple TV is when you're in a show, you can use Siri. So I can say, hold it down, show me the front door, and then it'll load in the corner a live view. So if you're watching a show and you wanted to see something happening, it gives you that option. And then from here you can just press the button on the top right again to go into full screen. And this works with all the cameras. So if I use Siri again, I can say, show me the deck. Thanks for watching this short video demonstrating how we can integrate existing IP cameras into Apple Home and all of the benefits that come from that. If you have any questions or would like to learn about pricing, please feel free to contact us using the details listed below. Thank you.